In the preparation for the final special bathing date of the Mahakumbh Mela, the area will be no vehicle zone for 4 p.m. on Tuesday and all the Prayagraj for 6 p.m. These measures aims to manage the large crowd expected to Mahashivratri on February 26. Essential vehicles like carrying milk, medicines and emergency supplies will be allowed. Devotees are advised to bath at a nearby ghats with pontoon bridges managed based on crowd density. A report by the CAG shows that the Delhi's cancer leaker policy caused a loss of over Rs 2,000 crores. The policy, which started in November 2021 and ended in September 2022, leads to corruption charges against the Aam Aadmi Party leaders like Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia, which helped cause their defeat in the elections. The reports highlights loss from the unlicensed shops, surrender zones, waived fees and incorrect security deposits. It also points out violations and kickbacks links to higher wholesalers' margins. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar warned Bangladesh against blaming India for every issue, urging them to decide the relationship they want with India. After meeting Bangladesh Foreign Affairs Advisor, he raised concerns over attack on religious minorities affecting bilateral ties. A Rouse Avenue court in Delhi sentenced a former Congress MP Sajjan Kumar to life imprisonment for leading a mob that killed two Sikhs, Jaswant Singh and his son Tarundeep Singh, during the 1984 anti-Sikh riots. The victims were murdered in Saraswati Vihar on November 1, 1984. Despite calls for their death penalty, the court gave him the minimum sentence, life imprisonment. Kumar was convicted on February 12 and is currently in Tihar jail. The US unexpectedly sided with Russia on the UN resolution for peace in Ukraine, shifting its stance amid tensions between President Trump and Zelensky. The resolutions, backed by 93 nations, call for de-escalation but face less support than previous votes. After Katrina Kaif visited the Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj, Bollywood actor Akshay Kumar also took a holy dip in Triveni Sangam and offered prayers. While Katrina distributing prasad to devotees, Abhishek Banerjee joined other celebrities like Katrina Kaif and Raveena Tandon for the Ganga Aarti. Akshay praised Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath for improving arrangements and highlighted the presence of prominent figures at an event. A 5.1 magnitude earthquake struck by the Bay of Bengal near Puri, Odisha at 6:10 am in the morning, with tremors felt across Kolkata and parts of West Bengal. Though residents were shaken, no casualties or damage were reported. Social media quickly filled with the post about the unexpected jolts. A team of expert rat miners arrived in Domala Penta to assist with the Sri Sailam Left Bank Canal Tunnel collapse rescue. Known for their success in Uttarkashi last year, they were called in after advanced machinery failed to reach trapped 8 workers. Ahead of Monday deadline, the Trump administration backed off the Elon Musk demand for weekly reports of federal workers. The Office of Personnel Management clarified no would be fired. While some agencies including the FBI opposed it, President Trump called Musk's idea ingenious. During a White House briefing, US President Trump and French President Emmanuel Macron clashed over Europe's role in Ukraine's funding. Trump claimed Europe expected repayment, while Macron corrected him, saying Europe had paid 60% with no repayment expected. Tensions reflecting deepening US-Europe's divides on the war.